Welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the HC Company's 20-inch Eclipse Round Planter with Saucer, a versatile indoor and outdoor plant pot perfect for flowers, vegetables, and herbs. Crafted from durable polypropylene plastic, this planter is both sturdy and lightweight, featuring a matte finish that resists scratches, dirt, and fingerprints. Designed with practicality in mind, it includes pre-drilled drainage holes and a removable saucer to prevent overwatering and protect your plants from water damage. Its modern design, available in fresh colors, seamlessly complements any decor, whether indoors or on your patio, porch, or deck. UV resistant, these pots won't crack or fade, ensuring long-lasting beauty for your gardening needs. Ideal for a variety of plants, from houseplants to garden vegetables, this planter showcases the quality craftsmanship the HC Companies has been delivering for over 35 years, proudly made in the USA at their Ohio factory. Elevate your gardening experience with this stylish and functional planter that combines durability, design, and heritage. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.